Ever wondered what makes modern websites so dynamic and interactive? It's all thanks to JavaScript. In this video, we will explore what JavaScript is, how it works, and why mastering it is a game changer for your web development journey. Stay tuned till the end to uncover its endless possibilities. Welcome back. If you have already written a few lines of JavaScript, you might be asking, what exactly is JavaScript and what can I do with it? That is exactly what we will dive into today. This video will set the foundation for your learning, so stick around as we will break it all down in simple, relatable terms. JavaScript is a high-level, object-oriented, multi-paradigm programming language. Sounds fancy, right? Let's unpack that. A programming language is just a tool to write instructions for a computer. With JavaScript, we create code that makes websites interactive. JavaScript abstracts away complex tasks like memory management, making it easier for developers to focus on functionality. It uses objects to store data and supports different programming styles like imperative and declarative programming. Think of web development as a team effort. HTML is the content, CSS is the styling, and JavaScript brings interactivity and logic to life. Here is a simple analogy. HTML is the noun, CSS is the adjective, and JavaScript is the verb. From hiding and showing elements to loading data dynamically, JavaScript powers everything from simple effects to complex web applications. Take Twitter for instance, from spinners loading data to interactive tweet boxes. It's JavaScript working behind the scenes to create seamless user experiences. By the end of this course, you will be able to create these dynamic effects yourself. JavaScript is not limited to browsers. Tools like Node.js let developers build back-end applications that run on servers. Using frameworks like React Native and Electron, you can even build mobile and desktop apps. The possibilities are endless. To sum up, JavaScript lets us add dynamic effects, build entire web applications, and even expand into mobile and server-side development. It's what makes the modern web possible. In this course, you will master modern JavaScript, starting with its fundamentals and moving into advanced features. We will also cover ES6 and beyond, so you are equipped with the latest skills in the industry. Thanks for watching. If you found this introduction helpful, do not miss my next video where we will start coding with JavaScript. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if you are excited to become a JavaScript pro, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you in the next lesson.